the boys are back around here, so been a lot done since we've been in this neighborhood. So the Snap-on guy has piles of logs like that all the way around his house. His front yard's filled. He ran around getting all the logs from everybody he could. So luckily I'm getting what Dale's job. So I got the cherry out of this yard. I just cut up that long oak in there. I took a piece out of that one. I got those trees there I'm gonna get the logs out of, and then I'll be back with you here in a minute. Alright, boys got the crane up, doing a little picking and lifting, and yeah. Oh, is that a saw log? Almost looks like one. Yeah, so I don't know where junkyard is. I think he just left in that truck. I'll get somebody to run the loader. There's Dale over there. Yeah, cool. This is back that same yard. They're just getting the stuff off the pool right now. Dale told me though there's a lot back here that had about 10 trees in it, that he'd leave me a loader over here if I wanted to get the logs out. So I knew Ray'd be out by the diving board.
Yeah.
Wow, pretty tore up back here. I didn't see it the other day.
You couldn't even get back.
Right, you guys, I could barely see past there.
There's like 4 trees sitting on the pool.
Damn, I didn't even see that either. I came back here. Oh, okay, so this must be what he's talking about. Gate go through right there. Yeah, there's a few saw logs here. Maybe not 10. Well, there's 10 trees down, but yeah. Caught them in 8-footers. Yeah, so, hey, any good logs, leave them as long as possible. I might be coming in here with the loader and doing a little side project while you guys are working elsewhere.
Yes, sir.
So, cool. That's Wayne. He's a good worker. He was the one on the loader that day, but yeah, that right there, that's a saw log, I'd say. Yeah, so Dale mentioned to me earlier, he says, you know, they're gonna have to move on. But if I wanted to have the loader over here and get some of these logs out of here in like a week or so, I could have at it. So I'll probably end up doing that. As soon as I figure and find somebody reliable. I got a couple people in mind that already asked me to work, and I've been playing around and dogging them out, trying to work a buddy of mine, but alright, I'll be back with you in a minute. I gotta go load some logs. Just got a few logs out of that yard this morning, and then a couple more of those big propane tank size logs. If you noticed down there, that propane tank I had sitting on those one log, they were bigger than propane tank, but got a couple more of those. City didn't try to take those, and I'll try to get videos we roll out. They got big, massive earth moving trucks, you know, that you see out in a big sand pit driving around here with excavators following them, just picking up the stuff along the road. So, and they're just trashing it. But yeah, so I'm taking that log there. There's 2 10-footers and an 8-footer, and then I'm gonna jump in here and cut an 8-footer out of here real quick before he gets over here with the loader, because he just got back. That was him backing in. So be back with you here in a minute. So I got those cut up, 2 10-footers and 2 8-footers, but so since I've been here, I have not went down this road. And I'd like to get a little footage of this house. So I'm gonna come back in a day or so and get a few of those. The guys are pulling out of here tonight. They're trying to get those 2 wrapped up, just the emergency stuff. And then we'll come back, they'll come back a later day to get stalks and stuff, but anyways, yeah, these, that one ain't worth a crap, but that one there is saying that's definitely a, what we call that, a morning wood, huh? But yeah, this here is some good logs. I already took 2 small ones that were right there this morning, but that's definitely some good logs. I'll take those. One's a red oak, the other one looks like it's a, no, it's a red oak. They're both red oaks. I noticed there's pin oaks and red oaks around here. I ain't seen no black oak yet. But yeah, those are all, that's red oak. That's red oak there too. No, or no, that might be pin with the X on it. But anyways, they're both good. Oh, I thought I'd just, I wonder about that white oak right there. Yeah, that might be mine too. Because that yard is Dale's job. Look at the size of that. Come here and stand in front of this. This house really took it hard. I'd like that pine log. I could almost get that on the trailer, back under it, and give her a cut. Huh? I could almost back under that one and give her a cut and take that log. Look at the size of that. Here, just stand over by it. Hey, look at... Wow. Yeah, that one's uninhabitable. Got the red danger sign. Well, I'm glad I didn't go down this way. Looks like it's a dead end. Oh, wow. Yeah, that one's uninhabitable. Look at all those pines just trashed. So the loader broke down, and we're waiting for the loader for a minute. So that's what's going on. See, Dale told me there was some trees down here for me, some logs. I'm almost wondering if it's that white oak. Yeah, I'm thinking it's that white oak, because I'm pretty sure these are Dale's boards. I think those are Dale's boards. This is where I think he said there was a log down here for me. I guess I'll find out when Junkyard gets back here. Yeah, there's a lot of logs laying in there too. Wow. I'm glad we didn't go down that road. Look at the dead end. There's a massive pile of logs down here at the end of the road. Is that just where everybody's dumping it? Oh no, that's a different tree service or something. Oh yeah, big crane in there. Wow. Must be their little stash spot for their wood. Pretty cool. Lots of firewood everywhere. Everybody has plenty of firewood. Yep, there's been people, as soon as this happened, tree services started rolling in here from all over. Well, the tree services local all got slammed. And so, you know, people started calling from further away. Desperate. So, but yeah, there was, when I was here a week ago, there was logging trucks rolling in here. And that road that we're working on now had so many saw logs laying everywhere. I knew they weren't going to last long. But all these trees that are standing with these tops broke off, they're all going to die. These people need to probably think about having these removed before, you know, like, as soon as they dry out, ain't many climbers going to want to mess with them. And some of those look like they're climbers. Well, if somebody was to get in there and do them before they put that fence back up, I'm pretty sure those are Dale's boards. And then I see the loader tracks right there. So, yeah, wow. Yeah, good logs everywhere. You know, everybody's like, oh, you should be getting that oak. The pine's so cheap. But you know what? The pines is what sells the most. Everybody wants to build with pine. So, that being said, yeah, I don't know what that tree came off from. Did it come out of this yard? It doesn't look like it's off from that one. Oh, maybe it was. I think it was. So I might actually take that one. There'll be room. We'll have Junkyard put that one on the top. We'll put 2 big ones on the back, 2 small ones, 2 8s in the front, and then that 8 or that 10 or whatever it is across the top. Yeah, this one has a little bit of bad at the bottom, but when I cut through that, it seemed like it was totally good. So doesn't look like it goes that far. That's where they ground the stump already. Some juicy ones. We're working the trailer today, guys. Last load of the day. Why not go for it, huh? That's what they're using to do the road. Going through cleaning the neighborhood. We made it home. So those are some nice logs right there. Wow. And I even found me a white oak laying over there. So we had one issue. The white oak was like 15, 16 foot long. And we tried to load it all on there, and all the logs didn't want to spread apart. They all were rolled to the middle. We had a hell of a time trying to get that white oak to fall down in there. And as it was falling off, it came rolling off here, and she torqued my new gusset a little bit, and looked like it didn't really bend the trailer too much, but yeah, that's the life. But what's crazy is it snapped that pipe right off. Oh, $300 trailer. Shit, it's done paid for itself probably 100 times. So yeah, that's some really nice logs. See, that one there was a top piece, but this here was, you guys seen in the video, that was one of the main stock. That one there is really nice. That one there is even really nice. So yeah, so we got there, we ran 2 loads, and they went pretty quick. And then we went back for a third one because we were like, well, shit, it's only noon. We get back over, we finally get out of here by about, I don't know, 1:30, and we get back over there and the loader had broke. So we had to sit around and wait for him to go grab the other loader, which was probably half hour away. And then when he got back, he had to help the guys around the crane first so that they could get back to work, which is totally understandable. So, you know, that put me standing around waiting longer. So it's I think it's 4 o'clock right now, or 4:30 maybe. So not too bad, but all right, everyone, I guess I'm gonna call it a wrap for this one. Thanks for watching.